Hi everyone, I am Barbie Perdomo and I am honored to be a candidate for FLACY's 2021 at-large board member position. I have been lucky enough to work in this fascinating field of early childhood education as an educator, an administrator, as an owner and mentor for nearly 20 years. For me, early childhood is like watching a fireworks show. I've always enjoyed looking at people's eyes as they watch a fireworks display. And for the most part, there's this sparkle, this look of awe and wonder. And I saw this in the eyes of young children 20 years ago when I began teaching. And since then, every time they make a discovery or make a connection, I am looking for the sparkle. For me, it's all about the sparkle. It is all about that look. But it is also about a belief that young children need a solid foundation to grow and develop in the care of adults who provide them with safe spaces and opportunities to explore, create, and express themselves confidently. It is about collaborating with families and other professionals to provide such experiences and build positive relationships that support and foster a love of learning. And it is about advocacy for teachers' professional growth to ensure that all children, as our pre-leaders of society, have equitable opportunities to quality care and learning. I want to make a difference by empowering our educators, building their self-confidence, and leading with the kindness they need and the kindness they deserve. As a leader, I understand the challenges that educators and administrators face daily because I've faced many of them myself. And even though those experiences have shaped the work that I do, I never cease being teachable. I truly believe that every interaction is an opportunity to grow and learn. That's why, as an early childhood administrator for the Archdiocese of Miami, I believe that serving on the FLACY Board of Directors is an opportunity to raise awareness of early childhood, of developmentally appropriate practices, inclusion, cultural diversity, and equity across all faith-based programs and in our community. It is an opportunity to encourage and increase program participation in our professional networks, to build our Florida chapter, and to further professional development. As a first-generation college graduate and daughter of immigrant parents who had to work very hard to provide for us, I was in an early childhood setting before my first birthday. I still remember the love and nurturing that I received from my caregivers throughout the earliest years of my life. And with no other family to help, my parents relied on the support of my early childhood teachers and other members of society. And this support system was not only essential in our care and our development, but the early childhood center that I attended, for example, was an essential part of our city's infrastructure. Still open today, it has opened its doors to countless families like mine and employed many quality employees. And this is why this candidacy is so important to me. The love of learning was fostered in me at that very young age in that early childhood center, and I want to ensure that all children have access to such opportunities. You know, we know that our profession is essential, and yet despite the years of research and advocacy, it has taken a global pandemic for this to be acknowledged. And we're nowhere near where we need to be. We cannot lose momentum now. The childcare industry is in the middle of a crisis as we are struggling to find and maintain quality educators in our centers, struggling to keep centers like the one that I attended open. And it's not surprising, since the average early childhood teacher makes less than $12 an hour. It is absolutely unacceptable that the professionals who are critical contributors to the foundational development of children are living at or below poverty levels. And like many of you, I constantly find myself defending our profession, educating families and peers and leaders on the impact that quality early learning experiences have on long-term development. We are not babysitters, we are educators. It is an uphill battle that together we must continue to fight, but I am hopeful that together we will win. Throughout my career, I have learned that it takes a village and building strong partnerships is essential. And I want to partner with all of you. So I am excited for this opportunity to join forces with professionals that I admire dearly. I am ready to meet the responsibilities expected of me, and I look forward to new relationships and, fostering stronger ties in our community and on the state and national levels as well. Thank you.